Welcome back to my channel. So here's to all the times that Excel decided to crash. You've been working for 3 hours straight. You've been cleaning messy data, setting up formulas, formatting cells to perfection. You're just about to click save when it happens. The spinning cursor, the grayed out window, the dreaded not responding. Your heart skips a beat. You pray, you whisper autosave, please autosave. But deep down you know the truth. This video is for every analyst, every student, or office warrior who has stared at a blank screen with a hollowed-out soul and clenched jaw, feeling like they just lost a part of themselves. It's the pain of unsaved formulas, forgotten macros, pivot tables that will never live again. It's not just data, it's your effort, your pride, your everything. We'll laugh through the pain, relive the horror, and maybe even share a few tips to make sure it never happens again. Because if there's one thing we Excel users are a silent army of believers in, it's the power of Ctrl+S. To lost work due to Excel crashing. Raise your hand if you've been there. Don't worry, you're not alone. In fact, I'd go as far as to say it's practically a rite of passage for any Excel user. But hey, we're not here to dwell in the past. We're here to laugh, cry, scream into the void, and most importantly, bond over the pain. So grab a coffee, lean in, and let's talk shop. What's the most insane amount of time you've lost due to an Excel crash? I want to hear all the stories, the near misses, the epic fails. Let's share the wealth of knowledge so we can all learn from each other's mistakes. Because isn't it funny how we can spend hours upon hours crafting the perfect formula or cleaning up a dataset only for it to vanish into the ether because Excel decided to hang right before our very eyes? Yeah, it's enough to make anyone question their life choices, but listen. We're not just here to vent, we're also here to learn, so let's talk best practices. What are some tips and tricks that have helped you avoid losing your sanity and your work? How often do you hit Ctrl+S? Do you have a backup file saved somewhere safe? What about version control systems like Google Sheets or Microsoft's own SharePoint? We can't change the past, but we can learn from it and protect ourselves from future crashes. So let's dive in and see what we can do to prevent this from happening to us. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.